We have to find the x-intercepts of the parabola. First, what is the x-intercept of a parabola? A point at which a graph crosses the x-axis is called the x-intercept of the parabola. And the x-intercepts of a graph of equation can be found by setting y equals 0. Why? Because when we have xy coordinates, every point on the x-axis has the second coordinate y equals 0. That's why when we have to find the x-intercepts of the parabola, we have to set that y is equal 0. So we have equation 0 is equal negative x squared plus 6x minus 10. Let me move everything from right to left and left to right. I don't like 0 on the left side, that's why I do this. So we have negative x squared plus 6x minus 10 is equal 0. So now we have quadratic equation. How we solve this? First, we always try to solve quadratic equation by factoric. But when we cannot do this, we use quadratic formula. Let me remind you this formula. X is equal negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. What is a, b, and c? When we have general form, let me write general form of quadratic equation. We have a x squared plus bx plus c. This is equal 0. So a is coefficient before x squared, b is coefficient before x, and c is constant. So in our example, we see that a is equal before x squared. We have negative 1. 1 is invisible. And b is equal, coefficient before x is 6, and c is equal negative 10. So now when we have ABC, we can substitute to our formula. So let me rewrite this one more time. X is equal negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So this is equal, b is 6, so negative sign we have to copy. We have 6 plus minus square root of b squared will be 6 to second power minus 4 times negative 1 times negative 10 over 2 times negative 1. So this is equal, we have negative 6 plus minus square root of 6 to the second power is 36. Negative times negative give me positive. Positive times negative give me negative. And we have 4 times 10 is 40 over negative 2. So we have negative 6 plus minus, and we will have square root of negative 4 over negative 2. Because under square root we have negative number, it means that we don't have real solutions. So it means that our parabola doesn't intercept x-axis because coefficient before x squared is negative. It means that our parabola is up and down and doesn't touch x-axis. Something like this we can write. So we don't have x-intercept in this example. This is my solution.